GM, this is November 21 BTC analysis and just market update with Umar. This is my journal. First thing we're gonna look at is Bitcoin and its trend bands. As you can see right here, Bitcoin went up, made new highs, came back, touched the bands, and then boom, high, consolidated. Here we have a market structure break. We had a market structure break and an impulse reclaim. So an ideal would be Bitcoin is not going below this previous market structure. So you could have easily, very easily, long this all the way. This was an opportunity I missed. You would have gotten a 2R very easily. Now, if I go here, I'll show you the exact pictures of the market structure break plus reclaim. So this is only valid after a trend. So we trended up, trended up, trended up, had a market structure break and strong impulse reclaim. Normally, if you have a market structure break, this would not have reclaimed, and this would have just went lower, 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 and then maybe higher later. But then we were extremely bullish. This was around 90k, 87k. And if I can show you here, Michael's journal. No, it was trading analysis, I believe. Anyway, Professor Michael G. Market sector with the reclaim. Maybe let's trade reclaims. No, this is not. Maybe I need to do hashtag trading analysis. Here's beauty with the most. Okay, here, right here. So this is a Bitcoin, like right now. And when was that? Thursday, 14th, 15th. So last week's close was a reclaim, so which was bullish. And weekend we consolidated, and Monday green, Tuesday green, Wednesday green, Thursday green, boom, boom, boom. Bitcoin's the king right now. So this is not loading, but normally after a market structure break, as you can see, after a market structure break, price does not reclaim. Okay. This is what it should lead to after a strong trend and exhaustion of the trend. After a strong trend, boom, 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 boom. You have a market structure break, price does not go there. A strong trend taking higher. This is daily, by the way. And then you have a market structure break, price does not go there. And then market structure break, lengthy consolidation, and then we go higher. Market structure break, boom, lower. Market structure break, boom, lower. Market structure break, boom, lower. So this price action after a trend, you have a market structure break. It should generally be bearish, but this is not bearish because it instantly reclaimed. So this is showing that people are. This was last Friday, so 15th of November. This is showing that people are extremely interested in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has a lot of demand. And then what did we see? We see a reclaim. People who went long got chopped up in the next 3 days, even 4, and then we impulsed higher. So that's the first thing. That's the market structure break. And then I want to go into the trend. So this trend has had 1 tap, 2 tap, and could have a 3rd tap. Normally, how many taps does a daily trend last? Let's go back to the ETFs. So let's go back to the ETFs. ETFs were October last year. So last year, October, let's go to the first. And so Bitcoin here, right here. So bands turn green here. First, lose it, so that doesn't count. So Bitcoin went up roughly 1 tap, 2 tap, and then made new highs, came back 3 tap, and then consolidated, and then went higher. So another 4 tap consolidation, and then went higher, touched the 50, and then this was February 2024, 1 tap, roughly 2 tap, 3 taps. So we're close to running out. Actually, I have no clue. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is daily band could see a recap. So Bitcoin impulsed all the way from 6th of November all the way till 11th. I believe this is 11th. This one, yeah. And then it waited for the bands to catch up. It consolidated for like a week from Monday to the next Monday. So a week of consolidation around this level for the bands to catch up, and then this week it began a proper trend. Looking at the 4 hour, Bitcoin has respected the 4 hour all the way. So Bitcoin went up, touched the 4 hour, made new highs, touched the 4 hour, failed to make new highs. So you would have expected 50 EMA, but this is extremely bullish market, right? So what could happen is Bitcoin could just go to 100 and fall back on the here. But the level to watch would be the 50 EMA. You want to buy on the 50 EMA. So you want to buy on the 50 EMA because it's extremely bullish. Because look at this 4 hour trend. We have not touched the 50 EMA once since the election, 6th November. That's 2 weeks. 2 weeks of uptrend without touching the 50 EMA. So the first reaction would be after Bitcoin loses the 4 hour, it's gonna come back to the 50, and if it holds and reclaims, so if bands go red and then it reclaims like this is where you want to go long. Simple as that. And then you want to look at the 1 hour for lower time frame. Same thing here. I'll show you what I mean by not even testing the 50 EMA. So same thing here. Bitcoin from the 6th of November. This is the election pump. No, is this not? Okay, so this is the election pump. Bitcoin held this was so close, so it technically touched. So Bitcoin held the 1 hour pushing up, and then every touch made like new highs, but the highs were like fucking small and small and small. And then this one, so this is signing loss of momentum. So it touched the highs, it made impulsed higher, made new highs, touched the band. Look at the difference between this. That's how big the high was. And then touch the bands, look at the next high. Only this big. Touch the bands, look at the next high. So you see how it was getting smaller and smaller? That was sign of lowering momentum. So lowering momentum, if you're lowering momentum on the 1221 bands, the next probably is the 50 EMA. So you went back, tested the 50 EMA, another, and reclaimed. A second leg began. Second leg began. Boom 1, boom 2, boom 3, and then 4, and then double top. So this came up, double top, came back all the way 50. Third leg began. So that's how the trends are working. So right now Bitcoin tried to lose this trend, and this is 14th of November, and then the third leg ended. Bitcoin went to the 100 EMA and reclaimed. So another leg begins. So from here another leg begins. One. So and then you have the final leg. If it reclaims, you'll just lower. So 1, and you go to 50. So 50 becomes a new band, and then you consolidate here. You go another higher, higher, higher. So you shouldn't lose 100 EMA right now. Lose the 100 EMA, and then you're going to the 200, and then another leg begins. And another thing I want to look at is Solana. Look at Solana on a weekly basis. So Solana is a little bit shy of all-time high. Look at Solana's all-time high is 260. Solana sitting at 257. So if Solana breaks out, that's look at this consolidation. Came back, dead, came up around from the highs to the breakout. Let's say you have 250 to the long consolidation, and then it's about to break out. Another thing I want you to look at is Solana and WIF. All right, Solana and WIF. So Solana WIF is the Solana beta. Everybody knows that. WIF is Solana beta. I should go here. This is Solana. Sorry, this is Solana, and this is WIF. So let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. Come on, go to the daily and turn off. I want to turn off this. I want to turn off this. I want to turn off this. Okay, here. Actually, let's go to the weekly. No, daily is fine. Anyways, this is Solana on a daily time frame, and the last time it had a big rally was from the lows of October all the way till 18th of March. So Solana had its big rally from October till March. When did WIF has its big rally? If we go here, October till March, WIF started its rally in February all the way till end of March. So you see here, February. So Solana had its big run all the way November, December, and then had a massive run till, and then February it cooled down. So Solana went here. Look at this. This is the first rally of Solana, right? From October till December, so 2 months. Solana fucking pushed, and then Solana went sideways from December to March. And what happened after WIF started popping from February? So March till March, and then WIF popped up. So if we're looking right now, Solana started the rally from roughly here. Solana 12 October 12. Oh, can somebody fuck me? This is October. I'm looking at the wrong. That time WIF didn't even exist. So Solana rally began from October. Oh, this is this year. Sorry. No, I was right. So basically, Solana went from October 11 all the way till 22 November, 22 November. So Solana goes first. WIF starts in November. You see, September, October. WIF goes later. So, and I want to look at Pepe and WIF relative strength. See which one's stronger. Maybe not this WIF. This Pepe. Yeah, this Pepe would be fine. So look at the difference in the relative strength. Looking at the weekly. Weekly, we had, this is the all-time high. WIF failed to break the all-time high. Weekly, look what Pepe did. Fucking blasted through the all-time high. So, which one's stronger? WIF is. Go to daily from the 6th of November. From the 6th of November. Go daily from the 6th of November. Here from the 5th of November. WIF massive pump. 2 days consolidation. Massive pump. Okay, from the bottom to the candle close, WIF went up 116% from the bottom to the candle close on the high, 102x. So this went 2 fucking x. So WIF is outperforming Pepe as we are speaking. So Pepe is extremely bullish. WIF is a piece of shit, but I think WIF will have its time because Solana is gonna run, and when Solana is near all-time high, so Solana is near fucking all-time high, WIF is, I don't give a fuck if it goes $2. I'm gonna accumulate as much WIF as I possibly can because WIF is going to at least $6. If I accumulate at $3 with $10,000, WIF goes $6, which is easy because everything's gonna pump. I made 20,000, but I need to be smart. I already have leverage WIF. I already have a WIF in my wallet. So what I need to be smart about is play the winners. Play the fucking winners. You go to 4-hour chart. You go to 4-hour chart right here. You go to 4-hour chart. WIF is fucking failing to hold its bands. So WIF lost the bands right here. Lost the bands and then went lower. Pepe lost the bands and he's fucking reclaiming the fucking bands, bro. Pepe is reclaiming the bands while WIF is consolidating in. So WIF is lagging compared to Pepe. Before I think it was the opposite. But WIF is still good. It has not broken any structures. As you can see, my swing low would be here. Perfect retest. And all I want WIF to do is to reclaim this, go above 340. So, and all I need Pepe to do is just keep holding. So Pepe touched the 50 MA, closed above, is bullish. So I'll be buying more spot Pepe. So how much KuCoin? Let's go to KuCoin. Let's buy more spot Pepe. Let's buy more spot Pepe. Oh, this is 16 minutes already, fuck. Okay, I'll do this later. I need to do my analysis. I'm getting distracted. So Pepe Nui, and next I want to look at BTC dominance versus altcoin dominance. So you look at weekly altcoin dominance. Does not fucking look bad, but look at the previous highs. Bomba clap, pussy clap, yeah. Look at this shit. It's so far down. When you look at BTC on a weekly, all-time high and pushing, and you look at Bitcoin dominance, fucking weekly uptrend, March, Bitcoin uptrend. So what I would want to see is this losing, going down after Bitcoin breaks 100k or something, and alts going up and up and up. And can you fucking believe the IBIT chart? Look at this weekly. It's insane, all-time high, close, gap through. Really good. And next I want to talk about the 100 rule. So Bitcoin's at 98k as you can see. So Bitcoin's at 98k. Let me take this off. Piece of shit. Fuck off. Okay. This is the 100 rule. So a lot of people think that this is resistance. A lot of people think this right here is resistance. The 100k is going to be resistance. So people have a lot of sell orders. So sell orders. So people have a lot of sell orders here, because they believe. So the 100k is the most important level since eternity. No, imagine if Bitcoin passes 100k US dollars, it's gonna be on every financial news. So the 100 rule is basically psychology. A lot of people think 100k is a resistance because it's a big round number. So people either sell here, or some people who want to sell, they sell here, thinking if Bitcoin hits 100k, it's gonna go lower. And other people, they buy here 98k. Why? Because once Bitcoin goes 100k, it doesn't just go to 100k and reject. If it's either gonna reject here from 98k because everybody is thinking 100k is a fucking piece of shit, blah 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 blah, and it's gonna reject from here, or it's just gonna go straight through and go the other side. Why would it go to like around here? Sorry, why would it go around here? Because 100k, everything is going to be on Bitcoin. 100k, fuck alls, fuck Pepe, fuck everything. Everything is going to be here. And if Bitcoin's either gonna go here or it's gonna go like this. There's no consolidating in 100k. It's either gonna go 100, boom, lower, or it's just gonna go lower from here, or it's gonna go 100 and boom, straight up, boom, straight up to 106k, and then it can maybe go down or whatever. That's a 100-year-old, because a lot of people, 100k, everything comes to Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes higher. Simple as that. BTC strategic reserve. And there's a plan here for strategic reserve. Trump's advisor expected to set up promised crypto advisory council expected to set up promised Bitcoin reserve realtors. What the fuck does realtors mean? Realtors is a news agency. Realtors mean is a publicly owned international news. Okay, so that's the news source. Realtors reserve. Extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. Michael Saylor is the G. He's buying everything. As Profit Chill. As Profit Chill. What time is it? Anyways. And market Sol ETF. Sol has ETF news and Sol is sitting at all-time high. Blah blah blah. People's mindset on buying the dip. So I will take Doge as an example. Right? Alright, let's take Wiffen as an example. People experienced with high, people were sidelined here, and then they were like, okay, I'm gonna buy this breakout, and then I'm gonna buy on the next going, and they buy here. Some people, they buy here, get chopped up, blah blah blah. Other people, they wait for a dip. Because this has gone so much, they wait for a dip. They're gonna be like, okay, this is a 30% dip. They don't want to buy this. When the dip comes, they're gonna wait for another dip. So the mentality you should have is, oh, this is going to fucking $10. My target is WIF is going to $10. So anything under the all-time high, you just buy. Because if WIF is going to $10, doesn't matter if you buy here, you just buy. Buy WIF, and it goes to $10, which is from the price right now, it's 2x. So just buy under all-time high. I believe I've marked it here, so you just want to buy under 3.83. just buy as much WIF as you can. I have quite a lot of WIF, so I'm not too worried about that. People are calling for all season because so people miss this move on Bitcoin, and there's the next thing they're fucking long every single coin. So and that's my what are my action plans? My action plans are 4-hour Pepe. So action plans are, I was supposed to buy this but it's not too high. Too late to buy. Another 4-hour close above the bands. 4-hour bands are gonna turn green. So buy Pepe. I'll be buying Pepe. So I'll be buying Pepe on with $100 risk market, and I'll just buy spot Pepe. Right, I'll buy spot Pepe with the rest of the money I have. Then I'll be exposed to WIF and Pepe. And WIF is trying to reclaim. So actually, fuck that. I'm gonna spend $50. Okay, I'm gonna buy both Pepe spot and I'm gonna buy Pepe perps. I'm gonna trade it and I'm gonna try it. And GMGM, that's November 21 ranch.